Premtobre Kasee na ugiso show Adom TV de yetwaso na ye de akoye nsem foforo emu Nigeria 24 war tiptoe lane wo circle ha de ya wo Independent National Electoral Commission emu pa wo nkrom officer aba no mato awie e declare de nenso ne me koso no omobo anyoso Adom Kasee ni bi akasa
Nigeria for womo eton ade ewo tiptoe lane de abetu dwa se abato a ekoso ewo Nigeria no na womo ehwe enim se Independent National Electoral Commission INEC no de niema ebegu akwan mu a womanfo entimi emokro no nanso no ensem a womo etiti ekire se INEC no wanye nedwuma eye adwodifo yi ene Adom News in Central for etwetwen komo ewo Adom trotro so no womo de tudwa se ansa na abato yi eba abekoso no INEC for de betu dwa se womo be de ombe bia se abatwe ebe ya asomdwe nanso sese nsem a womo etie ede famentim ho ase bi ekoso ewa abatwe mu ekire se INEC anye nedwuma ye womo de adesede eto abambofo a womo wo Nigeria se womo behwe ama asomdwe aba Nigeria.
If you check starting from the fighting, the way they are just doing every hour, they are even telling the INEC that the result is not correct, is not care about it. This election, in fact, I'm really surprised because they are rigging it already, as I'm seeing.
Many of the young people who have not voted before and some people who are first-time voters got involved in this election because of what the INEC promised Nigerians. One of which was that election result will be transmitted electronically from the polling unit straight to the INEC server for everybody to see. While the election was going on, we noticed that the presidential election result was not transmitted electronically, and that was where the rigging took place.
Ghana phobia woman so eton ade e wo tiptoe lane ho ne Adom News in Central for etwetwen komo no womo de tudwa se de womo hwe nim afri Nigeria for ne se asomdue ebeba e wo womo abato nim
sa abato no se wiom bia ba mu a omo ma prepare ye den embra sa ne penye pasomdue ya ye di dwei ebi wo Ghana ha sei Ghana for Nigeria asem si a sabi omo so mfi ba konsu ni o ntin bebre na ba ba sei yenso ye ho be den ebetimi a kire yen
asa na mekwa ni no fi anu afedin ni no fi anu aya no asondwe because kabule ncho ba kwa Ghana na pole nche watchume ate na akwa ni election ke no fi anu aya no
Mayanto so na yenko nsam Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology said and a College of Nursing at Totro so wa hafumantamu no ene yabo abaso 2022 best performing school in general nursing e Ghana womo ena sa abaso body no kwama won Adom TV ko nhiem de na se etwaso
Ebra suku ye annual performance review and a principal ya woda suku ya no Aisha Sena Idrisu echiremu se suku yi eka nursing schools edi wothwe otete apomuden adwumayefo mapa ewo omanyi emu a sesei KNUST so yapon ena abowo mo abaso obo akyerɛkyerɛfo ewo adwumayeko yi mo abaso se wo momodem mo ene de sa suku yi abedru sampempenso yi
mo school ha no. They have really put in their best, coupled with the support of the traditional council, especially our Omaihene and the district assembly. These are the people that have really helped us to achieve these feats. Also, we are there no be ambeso mo ya yedin. But then I'm say ye war mo support nti. E ma bibia ekoso ye e wa ha. I will really congratulate my staff on this feat, and I hope we continue to work hard to defend this title.
Enwechi eno hino wa ha fontotro so erema twireko ampem ya wone ne mpanimfo ensusu ye ene wode esi suku yi eda suku panyini yase se wode hyehyeye egu akwamu a ebo aye ema suku yi apeja abedru sa mpempenso yi
we kire se sika na nan mo se no wo college yi ho ya de ko fa de baaye ya ye gusu di sika ebo college no ya ni mo amu yase wo Alaji Boache, Erika by principal, and the boy, and a mammy Aisha Sina, also so Waba, and also so Boyanity, by and Waba, 1 more than a year, Papa.
The Krakra Chief Nursing and Midwifery Officer, Yawa Hafumante Mustela Sifa, Ebo School Yaba so say, what is Anshi Mui Eshe so, the Nini Nemono was Shokwan say, Juma Wodi no, a betimi a conkai.
Adeɛ baako a m'ani gyee ho all the presentations ne neɛ course no one collaboration between the school and then the stakeholders. To me, who said collaboration is very strong. Be it traditional council, the advisory board, the district assembly. You can see that the school is really a community-based school. Obia who odin bia obetimi bia oboama adwuma na koso.